Welcome to more IFC. It is what it is. Just look how beautiful this center top is looking. Very simple, easy to do it, well explained. Nothing is hidden and nothing is hiding. It is well done, it is well explained. Easy, simple, you can do it. Just look how amazing, look how beautiful it's looking. You can try it up. Just follow the steps and you can do it. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment and click the notification bell. It is what it is, because I post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Mondays. If I'm having a problem with my laptop in Africa, it is what it is. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment and click the notification bell. Just look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. Come on, you can do it. It's very simple. I'm gonna go step by step without jumping no steps, and you can achieve this beautiful center and top. So make sure if you're new to this channel, you make sure you subscribe, you like and share and click on notification bell. It is what it is. So let's get started. I'm going fast here. I would go fast here on how to cut the front and the back. I'll go really fast here, but I'll go slow when I'm doing the style. I'll go slow, because I have a video, I have a tutorial on how to cut a center and top. It's well explained. Check out the link below and click on it. It's gonna teach you how to cut a center and top. It's well explained. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. So I'm going fast here a little bit, but if you can catch up, you can still catch up. See that there's extra on the front one. Yeah, check out the link below. It's gonna explain. So now I'm checking out I'm whole. Adding my seam allowance, I divided the shoulder into two, and I'm using that for the armhole. I'm using that for the armhole. So you can see I'm gonna chip in and go in about a ½ inch. It is what it is. So make sure you click on the notification bell. You make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on the link below to go and learn how to cut a center and top well explained. So like I said, I'm going really fast here. So I'll get down here. So I will go slow. I will go slow when I'm doing the style, when I'm doing the design. Really slow for you to get it. You understand? Still checking the neck and see if I'm getting the accurate neck for that person. So I'm gonna put the back there and deal with the front. So this is the front. Like I said, when you want to make a design, you got to check where the design lies. Is it lies on the wrong side, the left side, or the right side? You got to check. It's very important to check. If not, you're gonna put it on the right side. Meanwhile, you want to put it on the left side, or maybe you want to put it on the left side and you're gonna go to the right side. So you gotta check where you're gonna put the style, where you're gonna put the style. So you check that one is very important. I always say to check it before you put your fabric to get your style on it. I'm trying to cut measurement fabric. Cut a measurement fabric that I'm going to use, so that I'll put the rest somewhere. That is what I check. So I'm just giving an eye on. We gotta put on it and trim it. You need to cut it this way so that it will guide you. It will really guide you how to sketch the style. It's really gonna help you to sketch the style that you want. You can't just put it there anyhow and just sketch. So you can see that it's fall at the right place I want. I'm checking an armhole at the shoulder. I need the middle of it. I divide it into two. So I'm going to divide 1 inch at that part, 1 inch at that part, or maybe 1.5 at that part and 1.5 at that part. So you can make it 3 or maybe 2. or 2.5. It's up to how you want that place to be. So I'm checking the corner where the curve, that's the place I want. I'm checking that part. So I'm making my sketch. If you don't know how to sketch, you should learn how to sketch. It's very simple. Sketching. Voila. So as you can see, it's very simple. You finish sketching, then you cut it. So you can see I've cut it, but you gotta put facing on it. You have to put facing on it. Put facing on it so that you hold it firm. So after that, you measure. I'm gonna measure from this part. Whatever I get, I write it down, and I'm gonna measure this part as well. Whatever I get, I'm gonna write it down. So let's put both aside. Let's put both aside and do what we gotta do. Or maybe let me put facing on it. So jump to that. You gotta fold the fabric like the way you want to cut a bias strip. You fold it like the way you want to cut a bias strip. As easy as that. Right there. Just fold it like the way you want to cut a bias strip. I'm marking 1 inch. One inch is okay. 1 inch is okay. So when you open, I'm gonna get 2 inches. 1 inch is okay. Don't go beyond 1 inch. Hey, if you've not subscribed yet, while you waiting for subscribe, like and share. Your subscribing is motivates me, it pushes me to do more videos, pushing me to bring you the best, you know. But if you're not subscribing, you know, you're not supporting the team. You understand? You just have to subscribe, like and share and comment. So I just open up like this, then I'm gonna sew 1/2 inch. Yeah, just sew 1/2 inch. Moriah FC is not about me, it's not about me, it's not about me only, it's about you, it's about us, it's about everybody, you know. Teaching you how to make a style, you know. You can do this for somebody as a gift, you can do this for your husband, your guy, you know. Just, you can do this and make money out of it. And so we're giving something for free. Just have to subscribe and keep on supporting, keep on watching, and keep on the movement. It is what it is. I saw a right side, so I gotta go to the iron board, to my table. I need a little bit of an iron. So this is how you're gonna do it. You can see it's still standing, so you're gonna pull it slowly. You know, just iron it slowly, like you're pushing it a little bit. Yeah, just push it a little bit, and you turn it over, and you fold it. You can see, you just fold it, then you iron on it. You can see the curve will come very smoothly. You know, it lies very perfectly. Take your time and iron it nicely. So you can see, voila, you can see we are almost done with the style. You're gonna learn how to attach this it's a tip, it's a secret how to attach this. You can't just go and put it on it like that and just sew anyhow that you want to sew it. There's a way to attach this one on the top. So let's go and do that. 14.5 inch at that part. You can fold that part inward or you can cut it off. I love folding it inward. I don't know why I cut that part off. But anyway, you can cut that part off or you can just fold it inward and it should just be inward. So let's get onto the sewing machine and let's put it on it and let's see what we're gonna do. So this is how we're gonna put it. You need to push it. You need to push that angle more than the center of your top. More than the center of your top. It's up to you. You can put it at the center like this, or you can just shift it to go more inside to the other side. Either way that you want it, you can still do it that way. You can let it fall at the middle center like that, or you can push it inward like 2 inches or 3 inches to the other side. I'm gonna push it inward like 2 inches or 2.5 inches inward. But make sure you pin it, you pin everything down. Look closely. We're gonna sew at that point in between the yellow and the gold and the coffee brown, whatever color I'm using. We're gonna go in between it, just so in between, not on top of the strip. No, not on top of it. So just in between them, both of them. The equilibrium, the junction, the connection that both have. From this English word. Just so in between, just like in between them. Like I said, not on top of the strip. Take your time. This part, if you have a glue, you can use your glue. There are 3 ways of doing sewing at this part. There are 3 ways of doing it. It's either you hide your seam. There's a way of doing that. If you check my other tutorial, I have a tip on how to hide your seam, and you can sew on top like this and just go your way, or you can have a glue, you can just put it down there and just leave it that way, or you can just sew on top and just leave it away. It is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, click on the notification bell. It is what it is. We're done. We're done. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. It's more IFC. It is what it is.